If you keep beating yourself up because you're not where you thought you were supposed to be, this video is for you. Now, you've been grinding, trying, and pushing so hard, but somehow and somewhere it starts to feel like you're behind. Like no matter what you do, it's never enough. And I've been in that same position, chasing that type of perfection until it actually just started breaking me down. But let me tell you something real. Perfection is a trap that keeps good men like you stuck. Progress is what builds you guys. Now, we live in a world that praises results but hides the process. You know, social media only shows you the highlight reels, not the nights that we can't sleep or the mornings that we don't even want to get up and do anything. But somewhere along the line, we start believing that if it's not perfect, it's not worth it. And that lie right there ruins more dreams than failure ever will. Because perfection doesn't push you forward, it actually paralyzes you. You spend so much time trying to get it right that you never actually start. And listen, the man that you are becoming is being built in motion, not in a pause. You don't need perfect, you just need progress. And let me tell you something, progress is messy, it's uncomfortable. It's you showing up on the days when no one's clapping. It's taking that one more step when your body says stop. It's learning to be proud of small wins, you know, the kind that nobody really sees. Progress isn't loud, it's consistent. And that consistency, that's what changes everything. Because the truth is that every small step is a seed. You may not see that growth right now, but I can guarantee you that something is breaking through that dirt. That's why God doesn't call you to perfection. He calls you to perseverance. The real transformation happens when you stop judging yourself for what you haven't done and start honoring what you are doing. You woke up today with breath in your lungs. That means there's purpose left. You're still here, and that's proof enough that you are not finished. So stop chasing perfection. Start embracing the process. The man that you'll become is being built in progress and not pretending that you got it all together. Every scar, every stumble, every restart, it all counts. You're not failing, you are being forged. And if this hit you, take a breath and remind yourself, right, that you're not behind, you are becoming. Progress over perfection. Every single time. Now go build one more step today. Just one, because one small step becomes a strong man. Grace and peace.